Loading custom text into the annotation pane of JE Viewer down here at the bottom is a very easy thing to do. The first thing you'll need to do is prepare a couple of lines of text. Think in terms of a caption of what you want to describe up here in your graph, in your map, and then save that, write it into a plain text file, save it on your computer, and save it within the JE Viewer folder, save it within the Prepared Notes folder, and then simply go to the second line, the second item in your in the menu up here, and the little post-it note, and navigate to Prepared Notes, and then select the file that you've created and open it, and then it will load down here at the bottom in the annotation pane in the comments section. That is the easiest way to do it. Now, alternatively, you can delete this backspace or delete this text simply by hitting the delete key. And then you can, type your own comments. I'm just kind of hitting a bunch of keys here. Typing into the comment section or the annotation pane of JE Viewer is much like typing on an old-fashioned typewriter. There are very limited editing options. You can backspace, you can delete, and you can type, but there is no moving your cursor to a particular section and inserting or backspacing or deleting from that particular section, no highlighting or anything like that. So in that regard, it's very straightforward, and it's very old school, very simple, but it's very effective too. So that is how to add text, typing your text into the bottom pane, or loading prepared text.